So many of you have been asking me about some crib sheets or some notes, or is there a place where you have these things written down? Is there something for me to reference? And we do. We have those, and we have some specials for you too. So this will make it easier, I think, for you when you're looking for different things. First of all, we talk a lot about flower care and flower nutrients. And so this is our flower care card, and it has all the different types of Chrysal products that I suggest that you should use. And it tells you how to use them. What's really cool is it's double-sided, so you have information on it. Plus, it also has a link at the bottom, and it also has a special code when you go to that link so that you can get a free prize. So that's cool too, right? It's two-sided, and so you get two of these cards so that if you want to, you can hang them up in your flower prep area or where you're going to do flowers. Also, some people have blown these up to make a poster to put on the wall, which is a great idea too. So the flower care card, it talks all about the CVBN tablets, the cleaning of their buckets, the right tools, anti-transpirants, all the different types of flower food, universal bulb food, rose food, all of it's on here, and cold water. So when you want a reference, this is a great card to have. So we also have one when it comes to color. And I know you're familiar with the color wheel, but this one I created is a reference to the flower world and how the colors in the flower world work. It also includes all your color horoscopes and different color combinations on the back. You also get two of these. So we thought, how fun. We typically have these in separate categories, but we wanted to create a combo for you. So you get two of these, and then you get our Life in Bloom button set. Okay, so you get the big button, and then you get a sunflower button, a Gerbera button, a dahlia button, a rose button, and a hydrangea button. Typically, buttons would be $10. This would be $10. This would be $10. You get the whole thing, two, and 6 buttons for 10 bucks. Really, really easy, okay? And the code is card combo. I'm going to put it up on the screen so that you can see it. All right. There we go. So now you got card combo, ubloom.com/card combo. And this is $10. Now, people also are asking me about my books. One of the things I love to do is give you tips and tricks all the time. That's what I love to do. And so this book that we created that actually won the IPPY for Home and Garden, we're so proud of that, a cut flower book in Home and Garden, winning the Independent Book Publishers Award. ubloom, you can get this on ubloom.com as well, okay? And it has 365 tips and tricks. The other cool thing is inside here, all these different tricks are quick and easy, but there's also web links inside so that you can watch videos that will help you understand how some of these tricks work, and you can see it in real time. This is a great value. This book is normally $20. We have a special combo with Fun with Flowers, which is my first book, which talks about my philosophy of flower design, talks about how I feel about flowers. There's a little bit of history about me with cute little pictures. But then there's also my favorite flowers, my flower friends in here, my grandma and grandpa, stories like that. And then we have great little recipes that you can follow, 48 different recipes. And not only are these every day, but we have some cool ones that are also about the holidays. So we have one for Halloween and pumpkins. We've got one for Christmas flowers. So you can do different things. This book is normally $20 as well, and you can get the pair for $30. So the book combo that you see on the bottom down there for $40. Book combo, ubloom.com, BOOKCOMBO, no spaces, all right? Book combo gets you these two books, two of these, and the buttons for $40, okay? So you can go take a look at them. Look at the screen again, ubloom.com/card combo for the cards and the buttons, or book combo for the two books, the cards, and the button combo. That way you've got notes that you can use when you're arranging beautiful flowers. I hope that's helpful, and I hope you check it out. All right, until next time, keep having fun with flowers.